So my name is Jeff Crosell. I'm a product manager with Panduit, and today we're going to be talking about the PatchRunner 2 vertical cable manager. So one of the great things about the PatchRunner 2 is it comes in a carton fully assembled, and the doors are pre-installed. So it minimizes the installation time required. So it's one part number, you get everything you need ready to be installed on site. We've done a time study on the manager, and it essentially takes less than 3.5 minutes to fully install from carton to rack, which is the fastest install on the market. So one of the nice benefits of the PatchRunner 2 is the best-in-class door. It is dual hinging, so it opens from the left or the right, and it is push to close. The product is available in multiple heights, multiple widths, and black or white. So some of the benefits of the white color, it is easier for the technician to see and work in the space because the white reflects the light better, which can then result in a lower lighting cost. So another benefit of the PatchRunner 2 is the increased capacity that we added to this product. With the increased capacity, you can actually reduce the width of the manager, which will allow you to get the same capacity of a wider manager of previous versions. And with that, you will reduce the cost of the manager as well. You can find more information on PatchRunner 2 at graybar.com. You can reach out to your local Graybar rep, and you can also visit panduit.com.